Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learning Lane. Today we are diving into one of the coolest and most important concepts in Earth science, the lithosphere. This is the layer that shapes the surface of our planet, moves continents, and even causes earthquakes. So let's break it down in simple terms and see why it's so important. What is the lithosphere? First things first, what exactly is the lithosphere? Think of it as the Earth's skin, the solid outermost part of our planet. It includes the crust, which is the very top layer, and the uppermost part of the mantle just below it. It's rigid and sits above a softer layer called the asthenosphere, which allows it to move. And here's an interesting detail: its thickness isn't the same everywhere. Under continents, it can be up to about 200 kilometers thick, while under oceans, it might be just 40 kilometers thick. What's it made of? The lithosphere has two main parts: crust. The top layer, made of continental crust, mostly granite, and oceanic crust, mostly basalt. Upper mantle, just below the crust, made mostly of a rock called peridotite. But here's the key thing: the lithosphere isn't one big continuous piece. It's broken into tectonic plates, giant slabs of rock that move around slowly on top of the asthenosphere. Next is plate tectonics in action. Now this is where things get exciting. The movement of these tectonic plates is behind some of the biggest events on Earth. When plates move apart, we get things like mid-ocean ridges. When plates collide, mountains like the Himalayas rise up. When plates slide past each other, we get faults like the San Andreas and often earthquakes. And all of this movement has been happening for millions of years, constantly reshaping our continents and oceans. Why the lithosphere matters. The lithosphere is literally the stage on which all life exists. It gives us soil for plants, land for animals and humans, and resources like minerals, metals, fossil fuels, and groundwater. It also shapes our landscapes, mountains, valleys, plains, and even influences our climate and ecosystems. So, because of this, it matters a lot to us. How we impact the lithosphere. We humans interact with it every day. We mine its resources, drill for oil and gas, farm its soil, and build cities on top of it. But our activities can also harm it, causing erosion, landslides, pollution, and even changing how stable the ground is in some areas. Let's conclude here. The lithosphere is Earth's strong outer shell, made of the crust and upper mantle. It is broken into moving plates that shape our planet over millions of years. It supports all life and gives us the resources we depend on, but it's also fragile and we need to take care of it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the lithosphere, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Earth science content. Drop your questions or favorite facts about the lithosphere in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.